So we've walked through the Mall of Asia and we're just heading towards Manila Bay. So we'll cross over the Seaside Boulevard and then we'll go behind those restaurants to the bay. Sort of there's a walkway right next to the bay where there's a whole lot of street food. Well, we're right on Manila Bay, so all the restaurants that you can see are they're just set back a little bit from Seaside Boulevard, where I was a few days ago when I tried to go to Vikings Buffet, couldn't get in, and then I went to La Fiesta. But we've come down here, Ema and I, tonight to check out the seafood. But this is Manila Bay. So Em and I are thinking of renting one of these. Well, it's Wednesday night, 7:20, and the place is rocking. There's people everywhere, thousands of people wandering aimlessly up and down. But it's good, it's got a good festive sort of feel to it. All right, we seem to have found an outdoor food court. Do you like salama?
I want rice.
She wants rice. She wants rice. All right. Hi.
Sir, ni hao. The street food is so good.
Well, we haven't really seen anything here that's set us alight, so we're going to keep walking because it's fun to just keep on walking. Boy, this looks like fun. Hi. This is where you rent a scooter.
Yes.
Do you have the two-seater ones?
Yes. 350, 1 hour.
350 for 1 hour.
Yes. Ganda ng vlog.
Whoa.
You ain't vlog ka?
Yeah.
Yes.
And so the single seat?
Yeah, the single is 200. 1 hour per hour.
350 for 1 hour.
Yes, the double.
350 for 1 hour. Do you need my ID?
Yes, I need your ID. And then after 1 hour, you can get it.
Okay. All right, there's my ID.
Okay, fill up, sir. Fill up first.
Hi. Yes, sir. You have a fast one?
Double.
That just happens to be a fast one, is it?
Sir, I can teach you.
Oh, all right.
Okay, this one, forward, backward. Then accelerator.
That's forward, backwards. Forward.
Accelerator.
Yep. And brake.
Then the red button, power on, power off.
Power on, power off.
Okay.
Okay.
Magkanya ka na lang kuya, tag-50 kayo shoot oh. Kuya!
Jump on. You ready?
Yeah.
This is as fast as it goes. This is top speed. Oh my god, this is slow. We've changed drivers.
But I don't know.
All right, driver. I think you're going the wrong way. You want to go the other way. Oh, these things are incredibly slow. But it's a pretty good way to just mosey on up and down the Bayside Walk.
Where do you want to go?
Well, I tell you, if this is anything like a Tesla, I won't be getting one of them. Pepperoni, beef ham and mushroom, ham and cheese, KCP Supreme. We've had a meeting and we've decided that, I mean, these are like 300 pesos for not a very big pizza, and there's nowhere to eat it. So we're thinking of actually, we'll return our little electric bicycle and we'll go into Mall of Asia. Just getting my ID back.
No, I didn't bill.
The one with the picture on it that looks like me.
Where's the ticket, sir?
This thing. Well, it looks like it's going to rain, so we're going to head into Moa. Well, we've made it into Moa. We're not really in. We're in a kind of a street down the side of Moa. There's a whole lot of restaurants here, and it's raining a bit, and we're undercover, so we're happy. We're trying here because why not? So we've both ordered the Taiwan spicy beef noodle. Well, it's past 8 o'clock now, so we're both starving. It looks pretty good. I'll try the broth. Yep, that's very nice actually. Split the bill. And so 640 pesos for two of the Taiwan beef noodle soup. 64 pesos for service charge, so 10% service charge. Yep, and so 704. Not bad.